issue, why don't they see the in that their own community, like Jats who are mobilized in Delhi, Jats and Rajputs, they are the same males who are raping Dalit women in Haryana. So then, how do they see this, and how do you see this? At one level, there are men raped there, and one other level, they say don't rape. So what does it mean? Does so the two things? Yeah.
One is about the right wing, so-called right wing. I don't believe there is any right wing or left wing in India. There is only one Savanna class of people. They might differ internally on the right policies to which is good for their image in India, which is 15% of India constituency. So they are family issues which they usually solve through debate and everything else. Just 15 years ago, the BJP had a Swadeshi movement, led by Guru Murthy and large sections of the Sangh Parivar, and the Marxists and the communists and others also had a similar kind of agenda against liberalization and globalization. So these and when it come out to this was in the 90s, and when we had approached in 2004 election, this Congress had gone on a kind of similar kind of anti-liberalization program. So right now the Congress has gone to the might have seemed to have gone to the other extreme, which is going for more free liberalization or more more liberalization. But and the BJP seems to have again gone back to its other earlier Swadeshi mode, wherein it opposes Walmart or FDI in in the retail and all that, and the communists also are divided. And it's a family quarrel. I mean, it's not their politics is basically about their constituency, their country in a way, which they say is which until now they used to say that it's India and it's it consists of 120 crore people. But right now they seem to be rejecting around 105 crore people, or let's say 100 crore people from that imaginations of theirs, and seem to be sticking to a more narrow agenda of speaking honestly and for themselves. So there is no essentially very substantive difference between the politics of the so-called right and the left in India. They are all the same when it comes to dealing with questions of Dalits or Adivasis or the Muslims, and they are all opposed to giving any real control or partnership to the OBCs. So, and they are all one on issues such as the Northeast and Kashmir. So that is there, and the ABP is of course in a way all the younger protesters are really a kind of a wing of the ABP, in the sense they might not actually be members of the group, but their ideas are very similar on questions like how terrorists should be punished, how rapists should be punished, uh, on justice and security and all these issues. They have similar views.